dug up. They just went underground. Get a shot of this?
Yeah. Oh yeah. That looks disgusting. Ew, Dad, it looks like you're feeding them poop. No, you want it. They're like, what the hell is that? Oh, there you go. Nice butt shot.
We're cleaning the snow?
Thanks.
I'll go outside.
Let the snow. Here we go, Malak Ranch drift session. Left 3 into right 4 over crest.
Off-road!
And fuck that snowbank. Oh man, this is gonna be tight. Go, go, go! Oh.
Oh man, these worn out Bridgestones that I got for free.
My face looks funny. Hey, slow down. You're going too fast. There you go. How about that throttle control? Oh, we got this. We got this. Go all the way. Oh, so close. You can't give up now.
You get closer every time. Oh Jesus. Can't see shit out.
I mean, you got the front wheels over that last hump. There's a tree right there.
I saw it.
Almost hit it. No, you didn't see it. Oh, that's... Now we got the speed. Oh, Jesus! Oh, God! That was bumpy. Keep going? Oh, yeah.
Are we gonna keep going?
I said, can we keep going? We're gonna make it. Barely. Going sideways over it.
Yeah, we made it.
Hell yeah. Look at that sexy beast down there.
Ooh, baby.
What's up, Suzanne? Looking good over there in the snow.
Hey, babe.
Actually, you're looking really ugly because you're a big,
Hey,
ugly
babe.
van.
Hey, babe.
Hey, no kisses. No kisses, Tommy. Suzanne doesn't want kisses. Oh.
Oh shit.
Ah!
There's stuff there.
little oversteer. On the whoops section. The moto track. Oh, Jesus! Oh, God!
Stabilizer.
Yeah. Only does so much. Oh, send it! Oh, boy. Oh, boy.
Yeah.
Burning out on the ice. Oh, yeah.
What are you doing?
Somehow it survived. Six stunts. You okay, bro?
There we go. Is it a video or a picture?
A video. Come here, bird. Come here.
Suzanne.
Come here.
Have you had Suzanne help
Hi.
us?
No, I haven't.
I just interviewed her.
Okay.
She was very good.
Suzanne, you said?
Suzanne Fawaz, FAW.
Good birdie.
Okay.
You're such a good birdie. Don't fly in my face, please. It scares me.
You should christen
buddy.
your cast.
Hi.
Poop on it.
Don't poop on it. Don't poop. You can't just poop. Oh man.
Look at those orifices. Get it right up in there. Yeah.
Okay, can you shuffle for me again?
That's smart. That's smart. That's really smart, Devin.
It wasn't good.
Whatever. Screw it. You got it though. We're good. Yeah.
Lame.
Why? Oh my god, I saw it. I saw the signal. I'm not gonna say it, but if you say it, I'm gonna know that that's what it is.
Don't
So-
say it. Just for fun? Some giggles?
Yeah.
So I could just keep stopping. If you go 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, that's a no-go. But if you go
Talk to me when
Bless you.
you
Bless you.
1 point.
Bless you again.
That better be good.
Ew.
I get disinfected. I need to go wash my arm off. No. Oh my god.
I'm disappointed.
What? You're making him mad. No.
Focus, focus, think of the objective. What is the objective? 4 cards.
We need to win.
Yeah. Hey, first turn, action shot.
Ready?
No, stick your tongue out so it sticks to
It'll
it.
stick to it.
That's why you gotta eat your
You
food.
gotta get more. You gotta get more of an arc. You're gonna beeline it. Beeline.
Here, right here. Ready?
That's a bad shot.
It's like a dog.
It didn't stick. Oh yeah, good.
Shots of you just eating popcorn.
You lost.
Brad, I swear I'm gonna get a good 5 minutes of just you eating popcorn.
Brad, the popcorn eater. 2.0.
Kemp's.
Savage.
We up to 5.
Yo, we're.
Still 2 points
We
behind.
can do it.
Did you pop that popcorn?
It's totally
Yeah,
possible.
it's in the microwave.
I like it. Can I kiss myself or is that
Yeah. Oh wow. Oh okay.
Yeah, like 4.
Devin doesn't approve.
Very strange.
Very.
You have to call.
Oh yeah.
You're like a tree perch.
Don't make too many fast movements or he'll fly away. Or he'll just